The simple step-by-step beautiful look using Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina Eyeshadow Palette. Please keep watching to see how I create this look. Side of the eyeshadow palette so you can see what it looks like. This is me laughing while playing in makeup. The brush came with the palette, so I'm using it. I'm now showing you the outside, and now I'm showing you how beautiful the inside of the palette looks. I am now applying my first color under the brown bloopers. I am now applying the first color under the brow bone and all over my eyes as a transition and base color. Now I am blending the color. That first shade was a matte shade. My second shade is a shimmer, which I am applying on the lid. It is so beautiful. Very, very pretty. I am applying the shimmer on both eyes. Now I'm using the Danessa Myricks Universal Yummy Skin Balm as a primer. I am using the Becca on the eye brightener, which I am using on a different part of my face to bring in brightness. Now my base is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm in shade 8, and I'm using my hand to apply it. Whenever you use cream or liquid, anything, make sure you set everything properly. Now I am using e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer for the second time. I used it before in the previous video. I am now blending with a dry sponge, and I'm using that dry sponge to make sure everything is blended in place. Now it is time to set everything on my face so nothing slides, because I have very oily skin and I want to make sure everything is set. I am using the lip balm setting powder to set everything. I'm also using a sponge under the eye to set the concealer. Now this is the Colored Rain bronzer, which I love very much. It's called Naughty Spice. It's my favorite bronzer so far. I'm using that bronzer to bring back some life back into my face, because when you use powders, concealers, it makes your canvas, which is your face, plain. So to bring a little bit of warmth and definition back into the face, I'm using the bronzer. I am bronzing my cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. Then a little funny face look. Now I'm making a little funny face look because I'm like so excited. It's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place blush to bring out my sexy cheekbones. Make sure you give yourself some compliment and remember to pat yourself on the back. Now I'm dusting off excess face powder. After that, I am going over everything after I sprayed my face with the Morphe continuous setting spray, which I love. The mist is just perfect on that. Being funny again, you know what I mean? I mean, a little joy and laughter to the soul is just a good thing. I love having fun, it's just uplifting. I hope this brings a smile to your face because now the look is complete. And here I am in slow motion showing you that. Bye! Thank you all for watching. Please share this video, give it a like, and remember you are fabulous.